John woke up with another headache again. He's anxious because nothing helps, and he must go to work today. The ladies at the office, concerned about John, recommend that he go see a specialist at the headache center. He cannot take another day like this, so he schedules an appointment with the headache specialists. The specialist teaches him about his headache disorder and gives him a plan for headache relief. Now John can function optimally at work, and the office staff is excited about his improved productivity. He's especially grateful that he can have more fun with his family now, and he feels truly blessed to have his life back. Schedule your appointment today at the Headache Center in Ridgeland. Insurance accepted.